How to check Google Maps activity history. In the previous video session, I've shown you Google Maps app on Android device. Now let's take a look at desktop. Let's press on the menu icon for Google Maps and press on Maps activity. Here you can search for a particular Maps activity, or you can select the calendar icon and search according to the date. Let's say last week you've been somewhere and you remember the date, perhaps then you want to select the date option, okay? Also, you can simply scroll down the page to see your Maps activity. If you're looking for your timeline activity, which was called location activity, then you need to use Google Maps app on a smartphone. And previous video session shows you how to check activity using Android device.